everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can find Clipboard on iPhone. So in here I'm going to open my notes application. So here you can see this particular thing that I have to copy. I'm going to select it and simply tap on copy right here. And if I have to paste it down here, I'm simply just going to tap on it and paste it. So after doing that, here you can see there is no clipboard option in my iPhone. So if I have to paste this particular thing later on, I won't get that option. So in order to get it, you will have to create a shortcut. So go back and simply open your shortcuts application. After doing that, tap on this create icon right here. And then you can name this shortcut whatever you want. I'm going to tap on it, tap on rename, and simply name this clipboard. So after doing that, here, tap on this search actions right here. So after naming it, tap on this search actions right here. And then we'll have to now search an action called get clipboard. Here you can see the option of get clipboard, tap on it. And we have now selected this action. We will have to add another one action. So simply tap on search actions one more time. And then now we're going to search show results. Here you can see the option of show results, tap on it. And now we have selected these two actions. Now tap on done. And now if you simply run this action, we will get our clipboard. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to copy this one more time, just like this. And then again, I'm going to paste it down here. Since I have done this, now I'm going to go back and run this action. So after doing that, here you can see these are the particular things that we copied and pasted earlier. So you can simply just see it and get your own clipboard on your iPhone. So simply tap on done and now it's gone. So if you want it, you can again go back, copy paste and simply run this action and repeat this again. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.